Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego remote control car. You'll need a 1x2 tile, a 1x2 plate, a 1x1 plate with clip, a transparent cheese wedge or 1x1 slope, a radio, 4 studs, 2 1x1 plates with holders, and a lever or gear stick. First you take the 2 1x1s with holders and a 1x2 plate and place that here, and you take all 4 studs and place them on the side. Next you take your 1x1 with clip and put that here, and you take your transparent cheese wedge and place that here. Next you take your 1x2 plate smooth and place that just there. Next you take your lever and place that here. So you now have your radio controlled car and control. I hope you've enjoyed building it.